guys, welcome to UNIK channel. If this is the first time you are visiting our channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and keep watching to know more unique stuff.
In this video, let's unbox and review Mont Blanc Explorer perfume for men. Mont Blanc released its new perfume in February 2019. It is set to tell the story of adventures, quests for excellence, challenging conventions, and exploring the four corners of the globe. Composition is made by three Givaudan perfumers, Jody Fernandez, Antoine Mezanziu, and Oliver Feijó. The bottle of elongated shape is wrapped with leather-like protective sheath printed with the Saffiano motif. The signature star that adorns all the Mason's leather goods is made exclusively in Hamburg. The sleeve and emblem are assembled by hand at the Mont Blanc Pelletteria in Florence. The iconic six-pointed Mont Blanc star is found on its bottle, appearing twice. This represents the six peaks of the Mont Blanc Alpine Glacier. Initially, it has a fruity fragrance which then gives a soft, woody feeling. The fragrance is announced as a UNIK woody-aromatic-leather concoction that combines essence of bergamot from Italy, vetiver from Haiti, and patchouli from Indonesia. The emanation of flavors and scent notes for Explorer unfurl in a whiff of citrus and herbal opening top notes including bergamot, clary sage, and pink pepper. The leather and woody hot-scented notes blend in with leather and vetiver, while the deep woody and amber-based notes leave an impression of cocoa, patchouli, ambroxan, and akigala wood. Mont Blanc Explorer is available as a 30, 60, and 100 ml Eau de Parfum. This aesthetic is only an overview of luxury, gentleness, and masculinity.
Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.